Hey my loves. So here I'm going to show you guys my second attempt at doing an anime lash set. This set to me came out perfect. It was definitely better than my first try. And I hope you guys enjoy. So here is me taping down. This is how I tape down. I found that this way of taping down has been the most effective in not giving my client any irritation or having the tape cut their eye, especially even if they open their eye. Usually the lashes don't slip out and it's pretty safe unless they like rub it or they like look all the way up. Then yes, sometimes the bottom lashes do poke out a little bit, but I like to put the gel pad lower than their lashes. I don't bring it all the way up to their eyelid. Not their eyelid. I don't bring it all the way up to their bottom lashes because some people do tear and then the gel expands and it ends up getting in their eye and causing even more irritation. Also, I like to leave their eyes closed because most people's eye shape change when they open and close their eyes. So when you keep it closed and you just lift the lid, it tends to hold the lashes in place without it moving up or down when they close their eyes. And then I go ahead and I tape up just to allow a little more access to the lid. Whether it's UV or not, I don't do it where their eyes are open. I do it where the skin is just lifted. So you don't want their eye to be exposed. You want it to be closed as much as possible. So what I did different this time is I used L curl lashes. I used my L curls for the peaks, or I guess you would say spikes. And I went in with that first and I created where I wanted my longest lengths to create that wispy anime look. And then I filled in with fans. I filled in with shorter fans. So my mapping that I used was the L curl. I used 13, 14, and 15. Mostly 15s, 13 and 14 on the inner and outer corners so that it can be balanced. And then I filled in with 10s and 11s. I used 9 on the front inner corners, and the curls I used for the base lashes were a C and CC curl. So the long lashes, the spikes, are L curls, and the shorter ones I filled in were C and CC. So I hope this helps you guys out if you're trying to do an anime look. I'm definitely gonna try it again because I loved it and my client loved it, and it looks so gorgeous on her. And look at those brows. Those are laminated 8 weeks now. So I'm just saying. Have a great one and subscribe.